Hello all, this is Grant here. Just a quick video to show you what you get in a Stokke Xplory style kit for the V3. Okay, this is the pink kit. So firstly we have the hood, and the hood comes with the visor already attached. We have two harness pads. We have the bumper bar for the seat. We have the fabric for the seat back, which the hood zips onto. We have the baby seat insert. It comes with a wedge already inside it. And we have the front seat fabric. Lastly, we have the shopping bag, and this is the bag that sits at the front of the pram. Inside the shopping bag you have the rain cover, and it comes with the built-in mesh. Thanks very much for watching our video, and if you want to see how to put this kit on, if you want to see the summer kit or the winter kit, please check out our other videos. Thank you.